Okay, we are testing our coaxial vibration sensor, which is a digital sensor with a tri-axis accelerometer as well as an omnidirectional vibration sensor. It's attached to a switching welder, which is set to a maximum current of 150 amps. The signal is going alongside the stinger cable that goes all the way over to where Mike is going to weld very violently on this poor piece of metal. As he welds, we're going to take a look at the signal we're receiving on the computer and show that there is no corruption going on in the signal and that we continue to get a signal as the welder operates and the cable is being subjected to massive magnetic interference. Go ahead, Mike. All right, Joe, do you want to tap on that thing while he's welding? There's Joe's tapping, loud and clear. Like to see a normal sensor do that.